Hello everybody, my name is Kay, otherwise known as Chansu Bromance on IG and Twitter. I also write as EXO1127_0112 on AsianFanfics.com. Hello everybody, I'm back with another unboxing video for you. So this time it's for the exact albums. And okay, so I probably will do this in a series of 3 parts because the photo books are more than likely about 60 pages each. Yes, and that will take a little time. Okay, so for part 1 I will do Monster, and the white one is Lucky One, so we'll do this for part 2. And then the repackaged albums, which is Lotto, we'll do for part 3. Then this is Chanyeol's photo card. I'm not sure for which version it is because I bought them separately. And as you also notice, I bought all of these albums as unsealed. So it's usually just photo book and CD basically. And yes, you will also notice that some imperfections are in here, so it's obviously pre-loved. Anyways, photo card. Right, again, I'm not sure which version this is. All I know is this is Korean press based on the white specks on the edges. So yes, and then here's his I'm not sure if this is an album pull or actually like a card from SM Town. But anyway, it's from Exact, and this is his message at the back. Okay, and then I believe this one I got for the Lucky One, Chinese version. So maybe this is, yeah, because this one is very similar to the Korean Korean photo card of Kyungsoo. So yes, also Korean press based on the specs. And right, so it has a same like not for sale, then also like EXO'S.com. So I'm thinking this is an SM Town photo card. Okay, and Sehun's. I know this isn't an album pull, I was told, but right, yeah, it doesn't say. I think this is from Lotto though. Yeah, because it doesn't have exact the back. Right, so yes, so this is Sounds. So I got this from Lotto. So I think I got this from Monster, then Lucky One, and Lotto. Monster happens to be black. I'm not sure why. And then there's also an outbox for each. I can only tell because it's got Korean here. So Korean Monster version, and this one is Chinese Monster version. So let's go over the photo books. Hopefully I don't mix it up. Okay, so as far as I can tell, Korean version is silver and Chinese would be gold. Nice. Okay, let's go over the Korean photo books first. Okay, so the CD is white. Let me check the Chinese version. Oh, it's black. So that's another indication. So we can distinguish between the two. Alright, the Korean photo book first. So Exact, so by Suho, Shumin, Dio, Lei, Chan, Baekhyun, Chanyeol, Kai, and Sehun. Okay, so this was released in 2016. And alright, so again, these are the members' names. And then we have the table of contents. So track list, it's got 11 songs. Okay, there's instrumental version Lucky One and Monster. And then we have the members for each. I'm not sure if there's an interview. Well, we'll find out together. Okay, and okay, so there's lyrics for Lucky One and then Monster. Right. Oh, did they release Lucky One first? I thought they released Monster first. Well, sorry about that. Okay, and oh, and then we get Kai at the onset. So they're a little more goth-like in this version. Okay, so appendix. So I'm thinking this is an interview. Yeah, there's like a Q&A. And it's in Korean, so yeah, I might have to look for translations. Right, and more photos of Kai. I wonder if in the Lucky One version it's the same interview. Yeah. Okay, more interview with Kai. And another picture. Oh, fierce. Okay, more Q&A with Kai. Ah, there's a lot of pictures per member. Nice. Okay. And then we get Tanyo. Okay, Appendix B, interview exact. Chanyeol, keywords, reminiscence, inevitability, and triviality. Okay. Oh, I love this picture. I haven't seen this photo before. Nice. Then there's Chanyeol again. I don't know if you can screenshot it and translate. Up to you. And that's it for his interview. Yes. And more lovely pictures of Chanyeol. Then we have tracks 3 to 5, so Artificial Love, lyrics and credits. In Chanyeol, then Cloud 9, lyrics and credits. Then Heaven. And then we have Lay here. Ah, Highway. You know, Lay would have been very good with the obsession concept. So here is this interview. Aw, look at him. Yeah, I kind of remember his Joker look from this, only a tamer version. Ooh, lip bite. Okay. Wow, Suho. Suho is so gorgeous. So here's his interview. Keyword C, vision preparation. Okay. Right, and then figure D1, so Suho. And then, right, oh, gorgeous, gorgeous photo. Okay, and ooh, pretty. Okay, so this is like white noise. Then we have Suho and Baekhyun here. Hi, Baek. pretty. So this is interview. So keywords: mischief, consistent, and clarity. Okay. Vacuum. Oh, wow. Ooh. It's gorgeous. Hi, Chen. Jongdae. So keywords today: belief and chance. Right? And wow. Ooh. Cool. Yeah, I kind of remember X Chen here from the Obsession concept. Then we have track 78, so one and only lyrics and credits. Then we have Shumin, so they never know lyrics and credits. Okay, so we have an interview with Shumin. Okay, nice. Wow. Okay, and yeah, I'm looking at the pages now. Oh, hi, Dio. His bangs. Oh. Okay, so Dio, keywords: adjustment, now, and calmness. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it looks very pensive here. Yes, this is one of my favorite photos ever. Oh, his hands. What happened to your hands? Oh, he looks like he was shooting, or he was filming room number 7 around this time. At least that's what his look reminds me of. Okay, and then we have Stronger, lyrics and credits, Lucky One instrumental. So there's Dio and Sehun. And we have Humi, last but not the least. And then his interview. Keywords are complementariness, care, and emotion. Right, and sound. Oh, okay. So that's his picture. Wow. His profile, oh my god. Very formidable. Okay, then more credits. So producer would be Suman Lee, or Lee Suman. And credits. And that's it for the Korean version. Let's check. Let's see. Okay, so it's gold and the CD is black. So let's check if the pictures are different or not. Alright, so table of contents more or less the same. Okay, so the difference is the text would be, some of the text would be in Chinese. So Lucky One in Monster lyrics, know. I think it's similar though. Yeah. I think similar photos. So Kai's keywords were happiness, memory, and dance. Yeah, maybe the same, only this is in Chinese. Oh no, hang on. Yeah, I'm just gonna check Kai's, but I think different photos. Wait. Give me a moment. Yeah, they're different. They're different. Can you see? No. They're different. So yes, better get the two versions if you can. Alright, and sorry about that interruption. Yeah, different photos. I'm so happy I got all 6. Alright, and here you go. So we're just gonna appreciate the photos. Yes, it's different. Yeah, some monster. Chanyo. Yeah, keywords are the same. Most likely the same interview, just in Mandarin or in Chinese. Right? Ah, yeah, this one is different. I haven't seen this photo ever. Yes. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm noticing a pattern actually. Whenever I unbox albums, Chinese and Korean versions, I almost always prefer the Chinese pictures, the Chinese version of the photo books, because of the pictures. I don't know why, but I happen to like the photos they've chosen for the Chinese version, especially this one. Come on. Right, then tracks 3 of Artificial Love. Yeah, different photo, see? Hi Lei. Number 10. Ah, look at him. Beautiful. So keywords is affection, sincerity, and responsibility. Oh, nice. Ah. Oh my god. How gorgeous are you? Okay, and ooh, beautiful. Yeah, I remember Joker, definitely. Hi, Sushi. Alright. Exact number 4. So keywords are see, vision, preparation. Yeah, I'm just assuming that it's the same interview from the Korean version. Nice. He's pretty. Okay, white noise and credits. Hi, Beck. So Appendix E. Somehow the pictures here are also tamer or more tame. Yeah, I feel like the photos from the Korean version are more aggressive. Yes. Pretty. Hi, Jen. Ah, wow. Ooh. Wow. I don't know what to say. Yeah, the pattern is rather intricate. Yeah, it probably is from a window or something, then the light's hitting it or hitting his face. I don't know. Yeah. That's nice. So 78, track 78, one and only. They never know lyrics and credits. Instrument. Yeah. The ones from the Korean version are rather dark, and somehow we get more light from the Chinese version photo book. So keywords are present, influence, cheer. Right? And here's some inserts. Oh. Yeah, it's just an observation, but I feel like I could see their faces more in the Chinese photo book. See? Ideal. Wow, his hair was really short here. Ah. Look at that. Right? Do you agree with me? That we can see their faces more in the Chinese photo book? Yeah, these are like less grimy, and yeah, I feel like they've cleaned up a bit. Yeah, not so much lip rings and jewelry. Just a little more stripped down. The stronger lyrics, Lucky One instrumental. Right? Yeah. Yeah, less makeup also. So, sounds, interview and photos. Okay. Wow. Yeah, he looks almost like himself though. Right? And that is it. Oh, so I just, noticed that each photo book is about 115 pages. So definitely worth getting. Okay, credits. And that's it for Monster.
咁就希望大家都要健康，咁同埋咧，我哋之後會有啲乜嘢咧？希望大家都可以多多支持同埋期待嘅喎。
오래 기다리신 만큼 오늘은 정말 여러분들 열심히 즐기시더라고요.
咁我知道你哋等咗好耐。